All right, here we are at the Standard Life building. Chains. Whoa. Holy crap. Yeah, this is... Bro. Oh, you can see the chains going. Hold on. Damn. Look at that. Yo. Bro. Ooh, that button's weird. There's our 88 phone.
You're gonna like what's out here on 12.
What? Oh, I'll say. Oh, I think I know. Oh! Holy shit. All right, get out. Let's get out on a different. Whoa. Yo, this is on hinges.
Yeah, but this was manual.
Oh shit.
The one next to this still is.
Yo, we're riding that after this.
If the basement door's open, it's in the basement.
Oh shit. Do we have the key? Is
I don't.
Ronan still in there?
Ronan's still here.
Hi, Ronan.
There's Ronan, guys. See the ceiling.
All right, send this one down. I want to get a shot. Holy crap. That's different than my triangle button a little bit. Don't press it, don't press it. I want to press it.
Let's press it together.
No, no, no. Just gonna still put
Don't hit the button there, that'll end the video. This one was an add-on when they modernized these ones.
Whoa.
These two are manuals. This one's a 3-speed.
Whoa. I want to get that one then. That's probably what we got, honest. Wait, hold on. This takes a lunar key. Oh, whoa. Yeah, this takes the lunar. Wait.
These were.
It's very fucked up lunar
on.
key. No machine for these?
We can check.
Yeah, we'll check after the video. Let's end it on the first one. TN new brails. That's so cool. Oh, here we are for down. That's a new braille.
I think it's the other one.
I
They
swear.
may be some
Oh,
of that.
ooh. No, we're good. I like the shades. Jared, I like the shit.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Run and what's duplex? Probably some version of independent. Bummer that this indicator's replaced.
These never had indicators originally. Those were put in quite recently.
Oh, these just didn't have indicators?
Nope.
Wow.
Sad fact to say, Sam, controller's been replaced.
I imagine. These have indicators when they didn't. That definitely. All right.
Yeah. There's both.